If you want to connect Zapier with WordPress, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can get it set up quickly and correctly. This is a really useful connection if you want to automate tasks, send data between tools, or streamline your workflow without doing everything manually. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside Zapier, look for the App Connection section. This is where you manage the apps that are linked to your Zapier account, and it's the place where you'll set up WordPress. Next, click on Create Connection. Zapier will ask you which app you want to connect, so go ahead and search for WordPress in the search bar. Type WordPress carefully, then select it from the list of results when it appears. After that, click on WordPress to open the connection setup. From here, choose Add Connection. This tells Zapier that you want to create a new integration between your Zapier account and your WordPress site. Now Zapier will ask for your WordPress login details. Enter your website address, then type your username and password. Make sure the website URL is correct because this is what Zapier uses to reach your WordPress site. If your site uses a custom login or security setup, double check that you're using the right credentials and that your WordPress site allows API connections. Once everything is filled in, click Connect. Zapier will then try to verify the connection and link your WordPress account. If the connection is successful, you'll see a confirmation that WordPress has been added to your Zapier account. At this point, your WordPress site is connected to Zapier, and you can start building automations. For example, you can use Zapier to create posts, send form submissions, sync data, or trigger actions based on activity from other apps. This is where the real power of the connection comes in, because it saves time and helps you automate repetitive work. If you don't see the connection working right away, refresh the page and make sure your WordPress credentials are correct. Also confirm that your site is online and that any security plugins or firewall settings are not blocking Zapier from connecting. And that's it. You've successfully connected Zapier with WordPress. It only takes a few minutes, but once it's done, you've opened the door to a lot of powerful automation possibilities. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next how-to guide.